Yes, may I have you DIY to show these dumb folks
Sure.
at home how to change a regulator, so this way that we're proud of you and you can tell your dad we're proud of you. I think you're
Good.
the kid is so much easier to get along with. Just in case I don't want to, shh, don't tell him that. In case your dad sees this, he's a little stubborn. Oh.
Get all
The action is
all the old tape off.
Old
of
tape.
it.
So I can understand that. I don't know if you guys can. The reason for the Teflon. So Teflon.
It's so your finger doesn't look like
Ooh,
green.
ooh, that's what we're drinking in there.
That's what this old one.
It's all molded.
No, it's green from the copper.
That's what I'm
the-
saying. That's got to be toxic. When it goes into my system.
There's a filter at your refrigerator. So you look for the arrow.
Just for that.
The arrow
Yeah.
goes to your house. So the inlet going to your house.
Okay, the arrow's in it, but what's the H3?
H3.
Yeah, it
is,
says H3. That means one above H2.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah, whatever that is. Yeah, H3. Yeah, it's just like Mr. Mom. H3, H5, whatever it takes. You know, what's not gonna go, right?
Exactly.
How did that song go? Oh, far away in the city. This is like bandaging up. And if you didn't know, I can at least see. I know so much about so-called Teflon. The wonder of the Teflon is seals, like when a diver goes down, it actually seals all the connectors, because even though you have this nice thin thread, as you are seeing that, see, it looks like it.
It lubricates and seals the threads, so that way you don't have any leaks.
Oh yeah.
And
Anyway,
before
he guarantees it.
started,
Put the money in the bank. Where do you get that skull cap? It's like the thing that makes
the
me.
welding cap,
Oh, is that what it is? That
Yeah.
makes me mistaking you for like a
1,
midnight arm robber.
2,
Okay, we gotta count.
3.
Just the other direction is 3.5.
Right there.
I thought it was 4.5.
I did
Remember?
a half first, so
Okay, so we
there's
did a
4.5.
half. I'm gonna hold you to it.
And then now I'll put
You're-
Teflon on this next joint.
We got
right
documentary to prove. We got documentary. See, it's so much nicer. I was complaining earlier to Shane that because we changed. Well, when I say we did, he did most of the changing of the
There we go.
refrigerator thing.
Here. And then we're gonna put
Okay, so
A
we got
new
more
rubber.
parts.
a new rubber, because this part.
Wait.
We're gonna use the old coupler, but we're using a new rubber.
Absolutely, it's a seal.
Yeah.
That's the old one. It's all chewed up. See, this is what happened when you have this crappy city water. So if you have a whale, then we don't have to worry about things like that, right? And then now we have this new rubber seal, and don't forget this is 1 inch. So when I ordered this is called the regulator. When I ordered that, they gave me a 3/4 inch, and there's different sizes, and that would not have worked. You see, so if your house has different size, or 3/4, or this is pretty much we need
It says on the old regulator.
It says
1 inch right there.
It says 1 inch. So
1 right there.
you can't go wrong.
So
If you go wrong, you're an idiot. And then you don't deserve any regulator. You just have everything puffed up. You know, I was like a little bit worried because before you came yesterday, somebody sent me a YouTube video where the guy was doing some plumbing, and all of a sudden, like, he screwed up and all the water kind of just went like flooded the whole house, right? And then we're all screaming. That is like, it was so funny. It's funny when you watch it, but it wasn't funny over there.
not if it was your house.
No, yeah, right, yeah, exactly. That's a good joke. Are you a comedian now at your house? It's very funny. But it isn't. It isn't, because this is my house. I want to be able to live here peacefully. now we got that new so-called regulator with both ends. Do we need to keep the tag? Because that seems like that's in the way. So we're tightening it up.
The tag should stay on it.
All right, so
we'll put it on the back.
I got it. Yeah, just for the sake of beauty. I got a nice elbow shot there. Let's see this out. Okay, we're gonna turn it right. I'm gonna back off, so it's not gonna blow. It's not gonna blow.
Water.
Wow, it's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. It's coming over there. Well, it's not like the. Is that lever like opener? Shane, that's a lever, right?
It's a valve.
Okay, so it's a relief valve. See, I even know the word. So what it is so much pressure in the pipe, boys and girls. I don't know what kind of pipe. Is that lead? Why is it all green?
Copper.
My place is all copper.
Yeah.
But that means the copper leach into the water.
Not really. Steel is galvanized steel is worse.
But steel has the iron. Iron is a better metal for you. I mean, if it leach, right?
It rusts and causes corrosion with your plumbing.
Oh, so it's awful.
A lot better.
Will copper ever cause corrosion? That's my simple question. Because I know somebody.
That's what the green.
Yeah.
Is the corrosion on the copper? But with steel, it rusts and then it gets smaller till no more water will go through it.
But at least it doesn't break. Because this guy, I know, this literally happened. Water was bursting, coming out of his walls. And then he could not find the leak.
He couldn't figure out how to turn it off.
No, he couldn't figure out where is the hole. What he does is he was drilling holes in the wall to get to the pipe to try to put like putties the pipe to repair it. Is that wrong or is that?
Probably.
So he spent his whole day trying to figure out where to put the holes. So he's got holes all over his walls basically. And that's like a nice area. Laguna. I wouldn't buy any of those manufactured homes there. Did you hear that?
That's the
water. And there's the pressure. What would you say? The rushing.
Here's the pressure relief valve.
Pressure relief valve.
And we can test it right there.
I talk like I'm right off the boat. We can test it. It comes out. And what does that consider tell you? Pressure relief valve.
If your pressure is too high, the water will come out of the valve.
And that's exactly what we want. So that it does not back up.
The relief valve is right near your pressure regulator. So if you have too much pressure, it will let some of the pressure out of the relief valve.
No, does your relief valve ever need to be replaced?
When you replace the pressure regulator, you replace the relief valve too.
But we did not.
I think my dad did.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, because it looks fairly new.
You want to replace the two together.
Yeah, because if you don't relieve,
they both work together.
Exactly, of course. Because if there's no relief, you got backup system. You see what I'm saying? That's like math 101. It backs up, then you implode. We don't want that. All right. Just last word for Peter Frampton and your confession. Now I got you. Your confession. You got this shirt. What? Bootleg. Yeah, the bad Chinese people, they try to sell it to you cheap. Better cheap than nothing.
Bootleg is the way sometimes.
It's the way to go. Look at this, rough and tough. Alrighty, well, too bad he's not going to be on your Yelp list and see you later.